1.5 pounds of pork. Coming in with some minced garlic. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my sriracha sauce. Gonna put a generous amount for this pork. We're gonna add in some soy sauce. I'm gonna pour in a good amount here, just drenching this meat. I'm using some rice vinegar. We're just gonna put in a couple of, about 3 tablespoons of the rice vinegar. I'm putting in some toasted sesame oil, about 3 tablespoons. Some minced ginger, freshly minced. You're just gonna put in a good amount of that. Crushed red pepper. And I'm just gonna dice some green onions directly in here. Now you can pre-dice them if you like. You can get dried green onions. I just like to get the fresh and throw this into my easy and delicious Asian-inspired dinner here. Yum! All right, I'm gonna break up my pork. We're just gonna get this all cooked, all mixed, all delicious. And I cannot wait for you guys to see what we're making. It's gonna be so, so yummy. It's going to be an absolute crowd pleaser, and it's much easier than you think. Alrighty, y'all, let's get this to the counter. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just bringing this over here to my greased 13 by 9. I'm gonna set this aside for just a second. I'm going to bring in these spring rolls. This is just a rice paper. You could also use a wonton wrapper if you'd like. And what we're gonna do with this is I'm just gonna soak this in a little bit of warm water, and I'm gonna set it right down here at the bottom of my casserole dish. All right, I'm just gonna repeat that process. We're just gonna cover the length of our casserole dish here. Maybe 2 of these. I might put a 3rd one just to reinforce. All right, I'm just gonna put in a layer of our pork mixture here. Now you can add bok choy to this. You could add whatever you like. This recipe only calls for a pound of pork. I did use 1.5 pounds, and we're gonna see how far we can spread that 1.5 pounds of pork. But ooh, it smells so good. Y'all, I'm just gonna put this into a thin layer here. Like I said, you can use dumpling wrappings, wonton wrappers, whatever kind of strikes your fancy. Smells like Szechuan. Coming in with a few more of my rice paper wrappers, getting these wet so quickly, transferring them right on top of that pork. I am just gonna use 2 wrappers per layer, just like that. I'm gonna pop the rest of my pork right on top here. Woo! Y'all, I would go a little heavier on the pork next time, but you could use chicken for this, ground beef. Just season it with the same sort of seasoning combination, rice vinegar, you know, sriracha type seasonings, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, all those delicious Eastern seasoning combinations that just make my mouth water. All right, we're spreading this out into another even layer here. Yum, we're kind of combining a dumpling with a little bit of an Italian kind of style here. I think you guys sort of see the vision, but I think this is gonna be really, really yummy. You could stick some more pot stickers just in here if you'd like, but I think this is looking really, really good. All right, final layer, just dipping these in the water. So fun to work with. You could also roll these up into spring rolls if you'd like. I'm just doing it just like this for today. Perfect. All right, I'm putting just a little bit of soy sauce on here. I'm putting a little bit of chicken broth. We're gonna use about 1/4 cup, just like that, gorgeous. I'm just gonna cut a little bit more of my green onion. I'm gonna try and make these into a little bit smaller dices right on top. I like to use the kitchen shears. I know not everyone does, but I think they're so handy, so convenient. You know, you could get a knife and a cutting board out, or you could just use your kitchen shears, and then you're only washing one thing. Perfect, this looks so good. Tiny bit of crushed red pepper flakes right on top. Gorgeous. Alrighty, y'all, I am popping this in my oven for 25 minutes. See you then. Alrighty, y'all. We actually only cooked this for 15 minutes. Our meat was cooked. I think next time I would use a wonton wrapper and just try and give this a little bit more of a spread. You can see the one on the bottom kind of stayed more spread out on top here. This is a little more dehydrated. It did shrink in a little bit, but I still think this is going to be absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna cut in, ooh, just like this. Oh my God, and those green onions even like look so, so good. All right, time for my Asian pork dumpling lasagna. Look at that. Wow, that looks so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to get a taste of this fresh out of the oven. It tastes so good. Y'all, this is delicious. Definitely give this a try.